Okay, so DAO Maker has just once again come up with another super exciting update, and your boy HDK is right on the case. And of course, I'm the most open-minded investor slash NFT artist on YouTube with a diverse appetite for risky asset classes ranging between shopping centers and shitcoins, but not government bonds, creating contact-led, family-friendly, cookie-accepting, cat-free, technical specialized tutorials and guidelines to harness the generational wealth transfer found in crypto trends that allows us to believe in Jesus Christ and a fan of Gary and an extremely well-educated and multilingual Korean, but with hair naturally curly than the average Asian male and highly coveted by many moms and daughters, also known as Combo Kim. Today, DAO Maker has come up with a massive move that's gonna take the scalability to the next level. So we've got DAO Maker. They're gonna become this leading multi-investment platform. What does it mean to become a leading multi-investment platform? Well, multi-investment is right. It's the right way to put it. So stay tuned till the end of the video because you are gonna be so happy that this is happening, okay? So first step, becoming multi-investment platform is here. In 2021, DAO Maker became a leading brand in the space, dominating the IDO industry. So right now, number one, DAO Maker on Crypto Rank, the top IDO launchpad. We are clocking in DAO Maker at number, not 2, not 3, at number 1. That's right, guys. And even number 6 BSC pad is freaking owned by DAO Maker itself. So like, it's going crazy. You know, we're getting ROIs, you know, that are just off the charts. The volume is crazy. The market cap is nuts, right? It is performing extremely well. The blockchain that it's available in is out of this world. So what is this new update? All right, so they are introducing scalable products, okay? They're starting out with Stablecoin saving product for ERC20 and first of many upcoming updates. Okay, all right, what does that mean? Okay, first things first, the DAO Maker savings, 16% yield on stablecoins. On ERC stablecoin holders can now earn up to 16% on USDC, BUSD, DAI, Wrapped USD, USDT, and Frax, okay? They are collaborating with the one and only, the all-reliable Anchor protocol, Terra, which generates at the moment 19.43% on the APY, and DAO Maker is holding hands with the right people to be able to offer this particular product. All you have to do is go to DAO Maker and deposit ERC20 based stablecoin, and away you go in staking them. Now, let me just tell you about this stablecoin, okay? This is just my opinion. This is my opinion, and it could be wrong, but I think I'm on the right track here. So the thing about staking stablecoin is that you need to have something that actually backs its return. Now, TerraLuna, right? Let me tell you why they're successful. They're successful because they're pumping in money in the back end to be able to supplicate all the rewards. So as you can see, recently, Terra just injected $450 million worth of USD into Anchor Reserve just so that they could keep up that 20% annual APY, okay? They are actually injecting $10 billion worth of Bitcoin. So because, you know, they believe that Bitcoin is going to go up. So, you know, that's going to then be able to sufficiently service the 20% APY that's going to come in. And that kind of balances the balance sheet out to actually give us that 20% yield on a stable basis. Okay. So that's really nice that they're doing it. And so Anchor has thought about this. It's not just a dumb degen farm that just, you know, that's basically a Ponzi scheme. More money comes in and that's going to go out to the rewards. And then hopefully that'll perpetuate itself until it doesn't. And then it basically crashes. You know, we've seen that happen with Time Wonderland. We've seen that happen with Olympus DAO, all those DAO forks there, right? Which is just Ponzi scheme, but with the lipstick on. But DAO Maker is different. I'll tell you why DAO Maker is different. I think DAO Maker, arguably saying, is better than Anchor Protocol, right? Because there's speculations about Bitcoin. What happens is if Bitcoin crashes and they invest that $10 billion in there, I don't know, that's a lot. That's quite a lot. But with DAO Maker, because they're doing launches from day one, like even in the bad times, these launches are doing really well. So if these launches are going to be the backing for the way in which these guys are actually putting these returns in. And I think part of that was the case for the venture yield video that I've done as well. So all you need to understand out of this is that they've got a good backbone to be able to give you these rewards, and they're talking to the right people and partnering with the right people to be able to do this, okay? I could be missing the mark here, but the fact that these guys are offering these yields means that they're gonna attract a lot of people. The whole reason for success for TerraLuna, and of course the Anchor protocol, was because of its very sustainable yields. It is the go-to institutional level, secure, stablecoin return that you can get, you know, and it basically begs the question of why do you hold any money in your bank account if you're going to get 20% on Anchor Protocol and it's going to be pretty damn secure and with more money entering into the TVL. So this is going to play a huge role for DAO Maker when it comes to scaling up its business model, okay? I tell it it's a business model because they're actually making good money out of this, right? So 16%, no, it's not as good as 19%, but I checked it out. The stablecoin farm is 16% on the APR, meaning that you can actually compound this on a daily basis, albeit manually, and you will be able to make more money out of this, right? So the APY calculation, which is what Anchor Protocol gives it in, is 19.49%. And so if we APY that calculation, right? I've just Googled APR to APY calculator, at 16% APR compounding daily is about 17.35% APY. Is not that bad. It's really not that bad. Now it begs the question, which basket do you want to put your eggs into? Yeah, it's a little bit lower, but it's got a really, really strong backing with, projects that are mooning every freaking day versus Bitcoin, which may or may not moon this year. And we sure as hell hope that it moons this year to be able to supplicate all of that. And so that's part of the reason why we want to really think about, staking our stable coins. So the fact that DAO Maker is offering this is huge, is absolutely huge, right? Any of you just went ew on the ERC20, right? Like, I don't blame you. Like, I also go ew to the ERC20 because like staking and, restaking and things like that has a lot of gas fee implications. So I don't want to pay a lot in gas fees. But that's okay. DAO will go to multi-chain. So DAO Maker Eventual Staking will go live on BSC, okay, in early April, which is good to see. And, it's going to be in there without the friction of high gas fees, like it says, right? So we're going to have DAO staking, the venture contracts for IDOs, and stablecoin farms coming out in BSC, which will be very, very helpful. If you wanted to wait for that period in time, that's fine. Although if you have some stable coins in your ERC20, I don't see why you can't just do this straight away. And if this was part of your strategy as well. Mind you, this is going to attract quite a lot of users to the platform, and I'm certain of it. SEO and boosting our traffic, that's a really important thing. Everything is marketing, right? Unfortunately, nowadays, everything is well and truly marketing. So the fact that 85% of the projects now can be found on the top 3 spots on Google, that is really, really great. Okay, so what's the plan now over the next 3 months? A lot of things are going to come out. In March, cross-chain stablecoin farms for ERC20. We've already established that. This is the big one, massive public sale. ChainPort is coming on today. So we're looking at ChainPort SHO. I've made a video on this on TikTok, on YouTube. This is going to be the biggest launch for DAO Maker. And just between you and me, guys, I don't think this is a project that DAO Maker is going to watch it fail. And if you haven't done so, there is still 2 days left in the ChainPort SHO registration. So if there's going to be one idea that you're going to get behind this year, I think this would be it right here. They're raising $3 million, which is bigger than it has ever been. And they've got some really, really great ideas behind this to ensure that your investment is well protected, shall I just say. And look, you obviously need to do your own research, and everything carries risk, so be careful. I mean, just holding crypto and stablecoin in your wallet can be a risk, guys. There's so many hackers out there. So like, this is crypto, okay? This is crypto. It's not S&P 500 investing through like your really secure centralized exchange. This is crypto, but this is one of the most sort of important risk-reward ratios that you will ever come across. So I really highly recommend you guys get behind the registration. You don't need to be staking DAO Maker to be able to do this, and there's going to be a lot higher chance for you to win as well. Of course, not financial advice. If you go on Twitter, I really recommend you to follow Chris. Okay, Chris is the founder of DAO Maker, so the latest updates are going to come from him as well. So DAO Maker V2, he summarized it really well. Cross-chain stablecoin farm, 16% yield, product overview, SEO framework for Angular. So it's going to be, it's going to be doing super duper well, guys. That being said, I think if you haven't heard of the DAO Maker as a platform, I think it's high time that you started checking it out. The returns are really great, even when the markets are really, really down. And of course, there's always really, really comprehensive research that you can do with ChainPort and with any upcoming launches that's coming up. Codified is a good one. Omni is another good one. So make sure you go check out their details. And if you haven't done so, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and get notification bell so that you can stay updated with all these awesome launches that are coming up. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I love you so much. And I hope you make lots of money and stay safe out there, guys. Crypto is a wild world out there. Like just today I got scammed, so I'm not feeling too good. But anyway, I'm going to get a hardware wallet, and that's going to solve all my problems. More update on that later as well. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.